ACF here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this leaf envelope. You'll need a rectangular sheet of paper. Pick any one of the corners and fold it into a square. And now pick this corner and fold it into a square again. Make a folding along this line. Now let's pick the tip up and fold it along this line. Unfold all the foldings and flip the paper over. Fold along this diagonal of the square. Now fold this to this point on this line and fold again at a half and again and one last half. Open the paper up and now fold alternatingly. Now flip the paper over like this and fold it along this line. Now fold this triangle inwards and pick the base of the paper. Fold it as shown and make a crease. And you can fold this way. To make our envelope look even more cuter, I'm going to stick a flower at one of the corners. You can put things in this pocket, or you can just stick this side together and this side together and put anything that you want inside. There you go, guys. We're done making our leaf envelope. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. Do let us know what you feel about the video and hit the notification bell.